Hello student, Sri Digambar Institute of Technology. I am Satish Jangid, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, Structure Analysis. Today I will be discuss on fixed beam when eccentric load act on the fixed beam. We have already discussed fixed beam when UDL act overall whole span and point load at the midpoint. Now fixed beam with eccentric point load as shown in this figure. We have easily analyzed fixed beam with the help of Moore theorem. Now first, so a fixed beam subjected to a point load W placed at a distance A from and A and V from and V. Due to eccentric loading, M1 and M2 will not be equal because W1 is eccentric, M1 is less and M2 is less because W1 is nearby point V, then resisting moment at V is more. A is greater than V, in this case M2 is greater than M1 and mu dash diagram will be trapezoidal. A dash is the mu dash diagram. A dash equal to minus M1 plus M2 divided by 2 into L. This is the sum of parallel lengths and 1 by 2 into distance between these lengths. And A dash x bar, put the value of A dash from above equation, and L by 3 M1 plus 2 M2 upon M1 plus M2 is the centroid of the trapezoidal section is equal to minus L square upon 6 M1 plus 2 M2 with A is the origin. A is the origin. The mu diagram will be a triangle with maximum ordinate of WAB upon L under the point load. Now A equal to, from mu diagram इसका एरिया कैलकुलेट करेंगे म्यू डायग्राम का, तो A इक्वल टू 1/2 L इंटू WAB अपॉन L, दिस ऑर्डिनेट एंड दिस लेंथ. ट्राइंगल का एरिया क्या होता है 1/2 लेंथ इंटू हाइट, तो WAB बाई 2. नाउ A इंटू एक्स बार, तो ट्राइंगल का एक्स बार क्या होगा 1/2 A into WAB upon L, this is the area, and 2 by 3 into A because this length is small a and center of this triangle is 2 by 3 A from point A plus 1 by 2 B into WAB upon L into A plus B by 3. This A is the total length till nowhere and B by 3 is the centroid of this triangle. Now this calculate, then WAB upon L is the common and A square by 3 plus AB by 2 plus B square by 6. Now WAB upon 6L 2A square plus 3AB plus B square, WAB upon 6 2A plus B. Now A plus A dash equal to 0, or WAB by 2 minus M1 plus M2 divided by 2 into L equal to 0, from which equation M1 plus M2 equal to WAB upon L. Equation 1. Now next, AX bar plus A dash X dash bar equal to 0. Put the value of this equation: WAB upon 6 2A plus B minus L square upon 6 M1 plus 2M2 equal to 0. Then M1 plus M2 M2 equal to WAB upon L square 2A plus B. Solving equation 1 and equation 2, we get M1 equal to WAB square upon L square and M2 equal to WB A square upon L square. Then we can easily remember this formula. यदि मुझे A एंड पर मोमेंट, फिक्स एंड मोमेंट की वैल्यू याद रखनी है तो उसके लिए क्या करना है, WAB स्क्वायर अपॉन L स्क्वायर मीन्स अपोजिट वाली डिस्टेंस का स्क्वायर है, और जब मैं B पॉइंट पर जो मोमेंट की वैल्यू है M2 उसकी वैल्यू याद करेंगे तो क्या होगा, मुझे जो अपोजिट डिस्टेंस है A उसका स्क्वायर है, यानी कि WB A स्क्वायर अपॉन L स्क्वायर. Thus the fixing moment M1 M2 are known. Bending moment diagram. Now so in the figure, bending moment obtained by superimposing mu and mu dash diagram. The bending moment at any point in AD, distance x from A is given by mx equal to mu x plus mu dash. WVL x minus m1 plus m2 minus m1 x upon L is equal to WB x upon L minus WAB square L square minus WAB L minus B L cube into x. From the point of contraflexure in AD, equation mx is to 0, then mx equal to 0, WB x upon L minus WAB square upon L square minus WAB A minus B L cube into 6. Then x equal to AL 3A plus V. Or shear force and reactions. After having know the ends moment and the end reactions, then R1L equal to M1 minus M2 plus W into B, taking moment about point V. Put the value of M1, M2 and R1. Then we have find the reaction at point A, R1 WB square L cube into 3A plus B. Similarly, R2 is find when the movement is taking about point A. Then we have find the reaction at point V is R2 equal to WA square upon L cube A plus 3B. These formulas are used in the next chapter. So we have remember in the mind always R1, R2, M1, M2. Next, another example. Find the support moment of a beam loaded at the third point by 2-point load W each. Also, draw the bending moment and shear force diagram and compute the deflection at the center. एक फिक्स बीम है जिस पर 2 पॉइंट लोड W इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर है, 3 स्पान होगी इसकी L/3 L/3 L/3। तब इसकी मुझे फिक्सेड मूवमेंट, शेयर फोर्स, बेंडिंग मूवमेंट और डिफ्लेक्शन फाइंड आउट करना है। सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूंगा, इसका लोडिंग डायग्राम बनाऊंगा। लोडिंग डायग्राम बनाने के लिए जो फिक्स एंड्स है मेरे, उनको मैं सिंपली सपोर्टेड मानते हुए इसका लोडिंग डायग्राम बेंडिंग मूवमेंट डायग्राम ड्यू टू लोडिंग म्यू डायग्राम हो जाएगा। जो फिक्स मूवमेंट है M1 एंड M2 दोनों यहाँ पर क्या होंगे, इक्वल होंगे, क्योंकि आपका जो लोड है वो आपके इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर है बोथ साइड से। तो आपके जो M1 M2 हैं वो क्या होंगे, दोनों इक्वल होंगे। और ये मेरा जो डायग्राम हो जाएगा, ये क्या हो जाएगा, मेरा म्यू डैश डायग्राम। नाउ ड्यू टू सिमेट्रिकल लोडिंग M1 इक्वल टू M2 इक्वल टू M and R1 equal to R2 equal to R. Thus, mu dash diagram will be therefore be rectangle. The mu diagram is shown in the figure 16.9V, in which mu C mu D equal to WL upon 3. Now, area of mu diagram A equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into L by 3 into WL upon 3 plus WL by 3 into L by 3 is equal to 2WL square upon 9. Now area of mu dash diagram is equal to A dash minus M into L. Now the Moore theorem, A plus A dash equal to 0, then A equal to minus A. Put the value of A and A dash from previous equation. Then ML equal to 2WL square upon 9 or M equal to 2 by 9 W into L. Also due to symmetry, R1 equal to R2 equal to R equal to W. Now at any distance x from A, the bending moment in AD is given by mx equal to W into x minus 2 by 9 W into L. Thus bending moment is 0. There is point of contraflexure. Thus will be 0 at x equal to 2 by 9 into L. At the mid span, MC equal to W L by 3 minus 2 by 9 into W into L, then WL upon 9 at mid span. The bending moment and shear force diagram are shown in the figure D and E. Again EI, YC with respect to deflection at point C with respect to A. Then summation of Moore theorem, summation of AX bar from C to A. In area 2 by 3 W L into L by 2 into L by 4 is the X bar minus W L upon 3 into L by 6 into L by 12 plus 1 by 2 W L upon 3 into L by 3 into L by 6 plus L by 9 is the X bar. From this diagram, now WL cube upon 36 minus WL cube upon 216 plus WL cube upon 18 into 18, then The deflection at point C equal to 5 upon 648 WL cube upon EI. Thank you for watching this video.